This is Spoiler Lotto GH and I'm coming your way with Monday special from Its Own Board 2021 event 776. Okay, so you see 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to split into 2. 29 single 4 addition 33. Okay, so when you come to the current to event 894, you see 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to split into 2. 33 and 10. Okay, when it's split, you see 60 goes at machine. Then you see a number here, 777. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to jump before this 33 was split into 2. 60 at machine. Okay, so when you come to the current 2, you see a number on top of the 43. 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That number needs to jump before the 60 goes to machine. Okay, so therefore when the number on top of the 33 jumps and the 33 split into 2, 60 goes to machine. The 33 that splitted becomes your banker, and the number that jumped will counter, too sure. Okay, so the number on the 43 that jumped, when this 43 split into 2 and 60 goes to machine, the 43 becomes our banker, and the number that is 21 that jumped will also do what? Will counter, too sure. This is a very amazing too sure. Okay, so let's look at this second settings. You please see from event 880 machine, you see 74. A number will play 61. From 67, it will give us single 6. 61 from 67 is single 6, and it will play with 14. Okay, so let's look at the second settings. You see 74. A number will play at second box. From 67, 57 from 67 is 10, and it will play with 14 as fourth box. Please, let's look at the settings again. You see 74. 61 will play, a number will play at second box. From 67 is single 6 with 14 at fourth box. So when you come here to, you see 74. 57 at second. Then from addition 67 is 10. 57 from 67 is 10. 14 at what? Fourth box. And then it will play 37. The winning becomes machine becomes winning. So here too you will see our 37. So from there, it tells us that this 6 needs to repeat. This 6 needs to repeat. This 6 needs to repeat. So when we come here to, it means this 10 needs to repeat. Okay, now this 61, the equivalent of 61 is 85, and the equivalent of 14 is 38. Too sure. So that this 6 will repeat. 61 is to equivalent, 14 is to equivalent. So when we come to the table, you realize that 61, the equivalent of 61 is 38. And the equivalent of 85 too is 14. 14 were equivalent, 61 were equivalent. So here we have single 6, 85 and 38. So when you come here to, it means 10 needs to repeat as our banker today. 10. The 14 needs to equivalent, giving us 85. And the equivalent of 57. The equivalent of 57 is what? 42. So we add 42 to our number. Okay. So you please take this number 85, 10, 42, 43, 66. You perm the 5 numbers. You take our first 2 show and you perm these 3 numbers also. I wish you good luck. This is Spoiler Lotto GH. Let's await a good result.